Viewers and subscribers, Easy Fix is back again on this channel with another video. You guys already know what this video all about by reading the title down below. Today we are going to bleed the X-Trail T30 brake system. Before I get further into this video, let me give a shout out to my last winner on my giveaway, who is no other than Latoya. Latoya, congratulations, you have done it. Guys, know that if you are trying to do this work all by yourself, you will need a next person, a 8 spanner, a 8 socket, along with a container and a hose. In this video, I'm going to use a 8 socket alone. So guys, to prevent mess, you will need to use a container and a hose along with a 8 spanner. With all that said, let's get into this video. Mash. Pump up. Mash. 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 Pop up. Mash. Mash. Pump up. Mash. Mash. Pagdano. Pump up. Mash. Pump up. Mash. Guys, if you have made it to the end of this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified when other videos drop on this channel. Also, leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. Guys, with all that said, see you guys until the next video.